We are about to get dumped on. No cap. Look at that shit. Blowing over chairs and shit. Oh, there it is. It's starting to rain. Gotta wrap up. And we still got tarps and shit out. Not a good day at work. Let's see how the boys were doing up front. Not too good. Is he done? I don't know, man. I guess we still gotta work through it. I'm gonna be soaked. This is done. We're done. We just gotta wrap up the tarps. But I'm gonna get back to y'all, man. Peace. It's a god dang mini storm out here, boys. Got ourselves a mini hurricane. Get water? I'm gonna have to get some water. As you can see, we're obviously still working. I just got Kim in line. Shit crazy. But look, man. Oh shit, might as well bring the spinner up, son. Done back here. But yeah, man. Giving y'all some quick content, some quick vlogs. Keeping y'all posted, updated, you know. Keeping y'all in the skizzle, you know. I'm sorry, guys. The Kim is in the air, it's burning my eyes, you know. So I'm squinting like that. Then we got Trini on the roof up there. We got my boy Leo right there. I think he just flicked us off. Flicking off YouTube. Not acceptable. But I don't know, my old lady sent me some info about a car show. It's not Cars and Coffee. I don't think it is, at least. Yeah, it's at the Brands Mart off of Palm Beach Lakes in 95. Probably might be out there. See what's good with that. Give y'all some content, some car content. Look at it out here, man. Trees are growing. I don't know if I was covering up my mic the whole time. I might have been covering my mic the whole time. Stupid. But yeah, man. I'm gonna try to get up out of here, man. I don't feel like catching a cold. I'm already soaked. But yeah, man. We're gonna get this shit over with, wrapped up, done with. Go home to my new bed. You dig? And watch some movies while it rains. Well, that's it, gang. A little short video, a little work video, vlog, keeping y'all updated, posted. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and share the post, man. Howdy.